Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friend. So how can you make profit, make money during the coronavirus? That's what this video is gonna be about. A lot of people's going crazy right now. Even if you just cough, like people's like, oh my god, let me get off the screen. But in this video, let me share with you a couple of different strategies, different ideas that you can actually put in place for you to create some income during the coronavirus. I have a lot of people who reach out to me that tells me, hey Keder, my job just laid me off. Is it gonna be fair, or is it gonna be wise for me to start a business in the time of crisis, or is it even possible? Because a lot of the time people don't start businesses when things are good, or maybe they have a job, things are working out for them, but they lose their job, there's no income coming in, and it's now they go, oh my god, like there's a wake-up call. It's like, oh my god, like my job is not guaranteed. If I don't build something for myself that can sustain myself in the long run, man, anything can happen and it affects my income, and I'm like down to the drain. So is it possible? Let me share my story with you a little bit before I share 5 different things you could do. When I started my business, it was in a time of crisis. And how was it crisis? I had just got married to my beautiful wife Shirley, and then she lost her job like 3 months in the marriage. Like she got let go, like she got laid off. And it was some bad time because we had car note, we also had the apartment to pay. So I can definitely relate. We had to put food in the fridge, and I was working a job. I was going to school full time. It was very stressful for me, and then to the point our car got repossessed, and it was just bad. And in the morning I wake up and the car was gone, and I couldn't pay for it. That's when we started our online business, because she was looking on Craigslist looking for different job opportunity. She was looking for a job, going to interviews, and she couldn't really get a job at that moment because it was scarce. And then one time she saw an ad on Craigslist that says work from home, and from there we started a home-based business opportunity. And from then I was able to build a business, leave school 3 months before graduation, and build a great business using the internet. That was 2013, so it's been over 7 years. So ever since then, I just never looked back. 2012, and it's been amazing to be in control of my own economy, of my own income. So what can you do right now in this time of crisis to create some cash flow? Number one, I says video content. Now that a lot of people are not going to work, a lot of people are home. If you have any skill set, or if you have an entertainment attitude, or if people see you as a very entertaining person, you can start creating content and put it out there, because people are home and they're consuming any type of content. It could be for entertainment, or it could be informative content, or it could be just content for pastime that people are looking to pass their time. They're stuck in the house. Some of them are not working, some of them the kids are home. So you need to choose an audience and see what type of content you're going to deliver to those people. Now, even if you're able to have a video software, if you know how to promote them, because a lot of company now, they are moving to, we're not canceling our job because we still want our employees to eat. We still want them to get a check, but we want to move virtual. So a lot of companies now, they are wanting to use video conferences and having video conference with their employees. So if you can learn how to sell those, that's one of the ways you can start creating income. If you create a YouTube channel and you're able to explode it past the 1,000 subscribers, which I have a few different strategies you could do it. One of the ways is to go on Facebook and invite all your friends, tell all of them to become your subscriber. That way you can grow your YouTube past the 1,000 subscriber. And then you can monetize your YouTube channel with AdSense, and you can start creating some income that way. Okay, the next thing, yesterday I was watching a video. I'm a big fan of the NBA. I don't know if you watched the NBA. They ended up canceling, well, not really canceling, postponing. For now, they're saying postponing. Some of them say canceling, but they're looking at postponing the season, the NBA season. So they stopped all the game because Rudy Gobert had the coronavirus, and he was playing with different team and some of his teammates. So after testing, they also have Donovan Mitchell, who is Rudy Gobert, one of the teammates, also had it. And yesterday he posted a quick video. Here's what it says in the video.
As for a former star player of Patino's, Donovan Mitchell seems to be recovering well from the coronavirus. He posted an update on the NBA's Twitter account to share that.
I feel fine. Things are going well. I'm just taking the proper precautions. You know, as was told to me by the health authorities, I got to stay in isolation. So, solo in here, playing video games all day, and can't wait to get back out there on the floor, man. Play in front of the best fans in the world.
And as you could see, he's saying that, he's playing video games. And if you're someone who can put little games together, it doesn't even have to be like a big video games. If you have skill set, or if you want to learn it during this couple of days that you're at home, you can go to different platforms and put little games together people can download. And you can even sell those games for like $1, $1 per download. If you have the skill set, you can even go into that industry and start, putting a little game together, get people to download it, charge them $1, then you can start making money that way. Because people are home right now, they're looking for a way to spend their time. Some of them are really bored right now, so you can really get access to those people and creating income that way. Third thing you could do is live stream. Okay, live streams are really powerful. Like right now, I bet you Netflix is getting a lot of views. Like a lot of people are just home watching TV, watching movies. But if you have a YouTube channel, if you have access to people, you can start live streaming your content. Maybe right now you can create content. If you're into health and fitness, this is a really powerful time where you can create content into how to boost your immune system. Maybe you're someone who's vegan, or you're someone who's a herbalist. You know what type of herbs, what type of medicine, people can use to boost their immune system so they can fight this virus, other than just washing their hands and just using sanitizer. I think having a very powerful immune system will help a lot of people. So if you have knowledge in those departments, you can definitely do some stream. Maybe you're creating some stuff at home right now. You're creating some home remedy. Maybe you're doing some green tea for yourself and your family, and you want to stream it to other people. Hey, here's what I'm currently doing right now to fight the coronavirus. I'm using spinach, I'm using oranges, I'm using real apple and real food. Because, with this whole thing going on, I'm seeing a lot of people going to Walmart and just, you could look at Walmart, Publix, all those places that are selling food. They dishing out everything to those people, and a lot of them, they are buying canned food. They are buying a bunch of food that's not helping them with their immune system. Although, like, people are thinking ahead, they thinking, well, maybe in the future, if we cannot go to the supermarket, if we cannot go nowhere, and we're stuck in the house for months, maybe we need some food that's not gonna rot, and canned food would be a better option versus a real regular orange or real regular natural food. Maybe that's why they're thinking that when a lot of people are going towards taking, highly processed food, which is not really helping them when it comes to the immune system. So if you're someone that has knowledge like me, I'm not, I try to eat as healthy as possible, but that's not my field. But if you're someone and that's your field, that's what you do, maybe when you doing your stuff, you can live stream to a lot of people right now. Hey, here's exactly how you can boost your immune system. Here's what you could do. And then on your live stream, you can create a product. You can put a product together. Maybe put a list of, the top 100 foods they need to buy right now to help them with the immune system that's not highly processed. And then you can give them that list for $10. And if you have 100 people that buys it, you just make yourself $1,000 during this time. And that I'm saying that, hey, you should just look to profit off people. But if you have information that can change people's lives right now, people are going crazy into the hospital, spending thousands and thousands of dollars. So I think you should benefit from helping people, saving their lives. This is the most important thing. At the end of the day, we all know we cannot take money with us. Health always comes before wealth, because if you're not healthy, well, your money means nothing. So this time right now, people are looking for different strategies, different tips to keep their health together. So I think live streaming would be a really powerful thing. And you can live stream anything else. I'm just giving you an example, because people right now, they just want to stay at home, chill, talk to somebody, live stream your content if you have any content that can live stream. All right, next thing you could do now is to sell on Amazon. Now, I've been seeing some crazy things. I got a text from my sister-in-law yesterday. She sent me how someone was selling a bottle of water, like stock bottle of water, for over $1,000 on Amazon. That's absurd. And I'm seeing some article where Amazon are even shutting down some of those people's account because people are creating a black market. Like people are literally going on Amazon now and marking up item for thousands of dollars. I mean, really? A case of water, that's like $3 at Walmart. You know, that's the price it used to be. But right now, and there's another guy who went and got like 2,000-3,000 hand sanitizers, and he bought all of them. That people cannot find any of them in his states, and he's now selling them for, you know, $60, $70 per bottle that he bought for like $1 or $2. Which is crazy. That's not what I'm saying for you to go out there and do, but be reasonable. You know, you can actually go and sell markup things right now as people are home. If you have things in your house, you can even put them on Amazon and sell them. Or if you have access to do Amazon affiliate, here's another thing. You know, you don't even have to sell the own stuff you have in your house. You can go to Amazon Associate, become an affiliate of Amazon, and then find those items on Amazon that people are really buying right now, paper, tissue, whatever the items are, and then you can start posting them on your wall. Maybe you bought some stuff on Amazon yourself. Maybe you couldn't find them at Walmart or in your local store, and you can certainly share your link to Amazon with people, and they're gonna go to your link and buy whatever they buy, and Amazon sends you a commission from the sale that you make. The cool part about Amazon, once you send them on the website, they can go ahead and buy themselves a fridge. You're still gonna get paid off the fridge because Amazon cookie them for the 24 hours they are on their website if you are the one who sent them. So that's one other way you can actually make money. Okay, number 5 that I want to share with you is if you have a home-based business. Now, the reason I'm sharing that is because that's how I got started when I was in my time of crisis and I was looking for a way to make money, and someone had a home-based business. They shared it on Craigslist. Craigslist was really popular then. That's how I got started, and I'm so grateful to that person, Yvonne. She has changed my life completely because, you know, my goal was never to be an entrepreneur. I mean, I had the bug, but I really didn't see how I was going to make it happen. So I was just going to school, just, you know, going to school, do the regular thing, and that wasn't really working out. But when I find out I can create my own income and be my own economy, not waiting for someone else to lay me a hand. Like right now, a lot of people lost their job, and I can feel for you. Like if you're a teacher, you know, anybody that has jobs where you're going to be in contact with a lot of people, a lot of them are closed down. Like I live in Orlando, they closed Disney, which is like one of the biggest parks in Orlando, and people are coming from all over the world. Like, you know, Universal is another big park. Just imagine all these workers, all those people that are working for this company now, they have to be laid off. Like they're probably not going to have income for the next, I don't know how long this stuff is going to be for, right? For the next 2-3 months, whatever, 2-3 weeks, hopefully it's 1 week. But however long the company decide when it's safe for them to return back to work. So just imagine if they have millions of people working for these companies, they have millions of people working for them because they like hired a whole city. Like if you live in Orlando, a lot of people work for this big company and corporation. So even if they decided they're gonna give them 1 week paycheck, but how long the company is gonna go to pay all those people without being bankrupt? So it's going to be totally crazy and chaos, you know, if you're not able to create income in the long term for you. So this would be definitely a best time for you to start a business, you know, get something rolling, and then give you a quick wake up call that, hey, things can always change. If you don't take, you know, control of your own economy, things can always change. So I share 5 different ways with you in this video. While this time of this coronavirus, you can go out there and profit from any one of them. If you want my strategy, I have a course called The Long-Term Business where I show people how to build a long-term business, something that's going to stay with you, building a brand for the long term and create cash flow. I show you 7 different ways to create money, including Amazon. I break down everything for you step by step. You can watch that stuff. I'm going to put a link in the video. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you guys a real big discount right now. I'm going to put it half off. So if you want to get it, you know, during this whole time of coronavirus, I'm going to keep it half off because I know a lot of people right now, you worried, you're out of jobs. stuff is happening for you. It's my way of helping you. If you build a brand, just like I helped my wife, this course is kind of based on what I helped her do. And we build different brands now that's creating different income stream for ourselves. And we believe if we teach you the strategy, you can go out there and build a brand, build different income streams for yourself. That way, whenever this to happen in the future, or whenever that was to happen ever, you know that you're in control of your own economy and you're creating cash flow for yourself. Definitely check out the link. I'm going to put it 50% off down below. If you do find value in this video, if you want to try those 5 other ways, go ahead and do it. But if you want to do the stuff that I'm currently doing, that I'm helping other people and my students, you need more help, definitely check out the course called The Long-Term Business. That was your boy Keder. You know, be safe out there. Be sure to wash your hands. Be sure to boost up your immune system. Get yourself as much green as possible in your body. I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys later. Bye.